I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Teams and how to access your specific cohort and channel. So I'm going to use cohort 6 as an example for today, but of course you're going to have to click on your own specific cohort. Once you're on there, you're going to be directed to the Posts General tab. Here you're going to be able to find any new updates that have been posted. So for example, if I was to add a new tab, you're going to be able to see that update of it right here. And if I was to add a new document or anybody else was to add a new document, you would see that update here. Next, we have the Files tab. Here you're going to find the DBA honor code, which you're going to have to sign and submit, and this tab's cheat sheets. And any other documents that will be added, you'll be able to get a hold of that through the Posts tab. Next, we have the ILA tab. Here you're going to be able to create your own account by finding your institution first, which is Goldie Beacon College, and then following the steps so you can complete the ILA form. Once that is completed, I will show you where to submit that and attach that form. But next, we have the Mendeley tab. So if this shows up, no worries, you're going to be able to come up top to the little arrow, click on settings, and copy and paste the URL into your search engine. Once you're there, you're going to be on the Mendeley website, which is a bibliographic database that is very useful for you to learn how to use for keeping references for your class papers and the dissertation literature review. Next, we have resources. So again, if this shows up, no worries, you're gonna come here, settings, and then copy and paste the URL code, which I'm gonna show you what that looks like. So this is what the resources tab should look like. You're gonna have different documents and PDF files that are very useful for your own use. So then you're going to find your name and your cohort. And for today, I'm going to use the example student. But once you're there, you're going to be directed to the Posts tab, which you can find any new updates that have been made to your channel. And then we have the Files tab. Here, you're going to be able to share your ongoing work with your doctoral chair and committee. And then we have the New Candidate. So on this tab, you're going to be able to see your name, of course, and then the cohort you're in and the ILA. So if you have submitted it or not started it, you can click either or, and where it says relevant files, you can attach those files there. And same thing with the honor code. If you have not started it, you can click not started, but if you have already submitted it, you can click on submitted. And next we have the milestone tab. Here, you're going to be able to, again, find your name and your cohort and then the classes. For example, for the STA 758 homework, you can click on it and see whether you have already completed the honor code and submitted it, the ILA, and it's going to go in order of all of the things that you're going to need for that course. And if you have not started it, you can click not started. If it's incomplete, you're going to click on incomplete. And if it's completed, you're going to click on completed. But you're going to be able to attach those forms on this tab as well with the attachments. Next, we have the dissertation progress. Here, you're going to be able to find, again, your name and then the concept brief, which you're going to be able to state whether you have not started it or you've already met with a chair, your writing is in progress, and etc. Next, we have the proposal. So here you're going to be able to state whether you have not started it, you're in progress, you've completed it, submitted to committee, and submitted the rubric to the DBA administrator. And for chair, you're going to be able to click on the chair that you have already spoken with and agreed to be your chair. And then we have the committee form. You can state whether you have not started it, you're in progress, or you have submitted it to the DBA administrator. And then for the IRB, you're going to be able to click whether you have not started it, you have completed the IRB training, you've submitted it, or the IRB training is still in process. And then for the data collection and analysis, you're going to be able to state whether you have not started it, you have made contact with subjects and or sources of data, completed data collection, completed the EDA, completed analysis, or if you're still in progress, you can click on that. And then we have chapter 4. So you can click on whether you have not started it, you're in progress, you've completed it, you have discussed it with the committee, and if you have completed the revisions. And last but not least, we have the final steps. So you can click on there. You're gonna find the not started, and it's gonna go in order of everything that leads up to graduation. So you have submitted the petition for graduation, you're in progress, dissertation revisions, submitted revised dissertation to committee, and etc. And then you can attach all the necessary attachments needed here. So this completes everything with your specific channel and cohort. And any new updates, again, will be in your specific posts tab or the general posts tab, and you can find any new documents that have been uploaded for you.